Welcome to our video on what to do when your bank account is unexpectedly overdrawn. Banking errors, although frustrating, are not uncommon. Today, we'll guide you through navigating such situations confidently. Let's take a look at the agenda for today's video. We'll start by understanding overdraft errors, then move on to quick steps you can take to resolve them. We will also cover how to handle direct deposits in such situations. And finally, share some tips on preventing future mistakes. In this section, we will delve into what causes these errors. Incorrectly processing checks can lead to significant overdrafts, meaning you might see more money deducted from your account than expected. When these errors occur, it's important to remember that the written amount on a check is legally binding, referred to as the legal line, and banks carry the responsibility to correct these mistakes. Now, let's discuss the steps you should take if an error occurs. First, reach out to your bank as soon as you notice the discrepancy, providing all necessary documentation to back up your claim. Next, inquire whether overdraft fees resulting from the bank's error can be reimbursed. They typically should be. Additionally, ask if your bank processes debits automatically despite overdrafts, which may help avoid rejected payments. Don't forget to check whether the bank offers temporary credit while the issue gets resolved. And consider heading to a branch to speak to a manager for a quick resolution. Here's a concise diagram illustrating what to do with direct deposits when errors occur. You can continue receiving direct deposits as the bank is obliged to correct any mistakes, and your funds will be applied post-adjustment. However, keeping an alternative payment method handy is a wise move if you rely on immediate access to funds. Preventing future bank errors requires diligence. Regularly double-checking your bank statements is a good practice. Maintaining a friendly relationship with your bank can also be beneficial. Additionally, when writing checks, ensure that both the numerical and written amounts are clear and match each other to avoid confusion. It's quiz time. What is legally binding when there is a discrepancy in a check's written and numerical amounts? Is it the numerical amount, the written amount, or both amounts? You may pause the video now to think about your answer. We'll discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is the written amount. The written amount on a check is known as the legal line and is legally binding, taking precedence over the numerical amount in case of discrepancies. To wrap up, remember to address bank errors promptly by contacting your bank with all necessary documentation. Consider requesting a temporary credit if needed, and always have an alternative payment method for emergencies. Thank you for watching our video on handling bank overdrafts with errors. Your support means the world to us, so please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more insightful content. We would love to hear your thoughts in the comments. As a final note, please remember that this content provides general guidance only. Laws regarding banking errors may vary based on your jurisdiction, so it's always wise to consult with a financial professional or a legal expert for personalized advice.